Go ahead. That way if you drop it, I'll help you. Yeah, so like I said, apparently this used to be more difficult than this, and about a year ago, they came through and graded a bunch of it. So my understanding is not as difficult as it used to be. I can only imagine what it was like when it was more difficult than it is now. Oh, I'm good. Tossed it around a bit. Oh, I can see the next obstacle here. Oh, fun! As ready as I'll be. That wasn't good. Me too. Me too. Oh yeah, that's uh-huh. Oh, that goes around the left? Oh, okay. Yeah, I was trying to go up and around, and I just kept going up.
I'm so glad you're able to step off of that. Jump that tree right there.
I went right into it. Oh, okay, yeah, I see it. Yeah, that'll work. Holy shit.
Mine was looking so good too.
I know, it felt good.
We were just tractoring up, and all of a sudden freaking lift off.
It looks way worse, like looking up. It doesn't look that bad looking down. Not every day you skewer your bike on a tree. That's cool. Yeah. You went through all this too? Oh sh. Well, I'm glad you came to endure the torture with us. It wouldn't be the same without you, I don't think. Huh? Well done, gentlemen.
Hey, way to go, dude. You made it up first try. You wanna... There was no way.
No, no. No, I didn't. You didn't see me skewer the tree. Yeah. That doesn't sound good. Hold on. Uh-huh. Alright, so we just stopped for what feels like our 10th break, making our way up Malcolm Smith Trail. I am not doing very well, man. I can't seem to get any traction, and the traction that I do get, I'm like aimed in the wrong direction. No, 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 no! Alright, we're going up. Well, that was sort of good. The good news is I think we're almost done with this section. We're gonna have a little bit longer of a ride. Oh. Damn.
You ready for that?
Nope. Alright, here we go. Oh. Alright, here we go. Uh-oh. Let's go! Woo! Oh man. Yeah, you point the bike and you say a prayer and just
Doing, it's working.
Just watch out for the trees. Alright guys, well, I think we're about ready to conclude our trip here on Malcolm Smith. We got a downhill left, and that's about it. That's about it. So, oh, whoa. It's a loose downhill, so I'll let you guys ride with me for that, but hopefully it doesn't end up being too difficult. Freaking rocky. Get my bearings a little bit. There we go. Woo! The rest of this is pretty cool. A couple tricky sections. Nothing too crazy though. Yeah, suspension feels so much better. Bit of a waddle there, but not too bad. And here we go. I think this is the downhill. Oh, this would be quite the challenge coming up. Woo! There we go. All right, guys, well, we are at the end of Malcolm Smith. But we made it. We persevered. This was not easy. Might be easy for some people. Not easy for a bunch of novices like ourselves. Even though a lot of us have been riding for a few years, you know, this is something that's hard to perfect. And every ride has its own set of challenges that you have to overcome. Sometimes it's related to the trail, sometimes it's related to the bike, sometimes it's related to your physical conditioning. So all that stuff is what makes dirt bike such a great thing to participate in. Because the feeling that you get when you conquer these obstacles is like nothing that you'll ever experience, ever. So anyways, guys, that's it. Gonna wrap it up here. Thank you so much for riding along with me today. If you like this video, please give me a like down below. If you're new here, please subscribe. I like to do adventures like this on a weekly basis, and I would love to have you guys along for the ride. So until next time, guys, please be sure to have fun, take care, and ride safe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, be sure to get out there and have adventures of your own. And I will see you guys next time. Hey, we made it!
Thanks for watching the video. If you liked what you saw, please let me know down in the comments, and don't forget to hit that like button. If you are new here, please subscribe to see more adventures just like this one. For information about my riding gear or the various ways you can help support the channel, please check out the links below or head over to www.eachadventure.com. I'll see you in the next one.